All of us at Lean6Sigma Academy are looking forward to becoming your resource for professional development. Now you can easily start, switch, or advance your career with our world-class, 100% online, globally accredited courses and professional certifications. At Lean6Sigma Academy, we provide access to skills improvement, workplace applicable knowledge, leadership skills, advanced and technical skills, all to increase your workplace competence and open up your career opportunities. You might be feeling a little anxious about registering on our website for fear of receiving unwanted emails or calls in the future. Completely understandable. When you register on our website, we promise that you won't be signed up for anything that you don't want. You'll simply gain access to view our course catalog and gain access to some freebies. When you purchase a course, you'll receive an email confirmation that will show you how to access the instructional video course, the workbook and course templates. You'll have access to the instructional videos for 12 months from the date of purchase, which allows you to set your own pace for learning. This is your chance to improve yourself by increasing your competence and skills to deliver important results to your organization. You'll learn how to analyze and solve problems, improve efficiency, achieve significant savings, create faster and higher quality processes, and maximize your career opportunities and achievements. The first step is registering so that you can browse our course catalog and find the course or certification that's right for you.